Hi Year 9, today what I'm going to do is talk you through how to do exercise 1201. So for exercise 1201, what we are looking at is starting trigonometry, and to start trigonometry, what we need to do is we need to learn how to label right angle triangles. So what we're going to do is we want to name this side opposite the marked angle in each triangle. So what we want to do is we want to go to the angle and we want to draw an arrow to the side opposite, and we'll call that side O, which is the opposite side. So the question asks us to name the opposite side marked in each triangle. So what we do is we go to our page that will answer our questions on exercise 1201. Question 1A, and the side here is side CB. Okay, the reason why it's CB, or it can be BC, it doesn't matter which letter is first, is because it's this side here and we has the vertices B and C. I'll do B for you just to make sure that you understand it. So for B, what we do is we go to our angle that is marked, we draw an arrow directly across from it, and that is our opposite side. So for 1B, our side will be the side ED, or DE is the side opposite. For question 2, so you can have a go at doing C to F yourself. So for question 2, it says to name the adjacent side in each of the triangles in question 1. So the adjacent side of a triangle is the side that is next to the angle, and it's the side that's in between the angle and the right angle. So in 1A, our adjacent side is the side AB or BA. So we go to our page. Question 2A is the side AB or BA. Then if we were to look at part B, so the adjacent side is the side next to the angle. So we draw an arrow going across to the side, and it's in between our right angle and our angle. And so this is our adjacent side, and it is labeled EF or FE. Now, like I said, order does not matter there. So now what we're going to do for question 3, it asks us to name the hypotenuse in each of the triangles in question 1. So how we find the hypotenuse is it is directly across from our right angle. So we go to our right angle and we draw an arrow across, and that's how we find our hypotenuse. So our hypotenuse is the side AC for question 3. So question 3A is the side AC or CA. For part B, our hypotenuse is the side directly opposite our right angle. So start at your right angle, draw an arrow across, and that is our hypotenuse. So our hypotenuse is the side DF or FD. So DF or FD. Okay, so now in question 4, we want to look in triangle ABC and work out which side is opposite angle B. So angle B is this angle here. So what we want to do is we want to see which side is opposite angle B, which would be the side AC. Then part B asks us which side is adjacent to angle C. So we want to go to angle C, which is here. Okay, I'm going to keep angle B highlighted pink. And so angle C, the side that is adjacent to, is the side that is between that angle and my right angle, which is this side here, which is side AC. We then want to know which angle is opposite side AB. So side AB is this side here. So the angle that is opposite, so we're drawing an arrow to that angle. The side that is opposite is angle C. So we do an angle symbol and C. And then which angle is adjacent to side AC? So adjacent to side AC. So side AC is, I'm just going to rub out that. So side AC is here. Which angle is adjacent? So it is going to be angle C there. For question 5, we want to find the value of this ratio, the side opposite angle P over the side adjacent to angle P in these triangles. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at our angle that has been asked. It's asked us for angle P. So I'm going to highlight angle P. And for our ratio, it's the side opposite angle P. So what we want to do is we want to label our triangle like how we did up in questions 1, 2, and 3. So we want to label our hypotenuse. So remember, our hypotenuse is opposite our right angle. So our hypotenuse here is this length 13. Our opposite is opposite our angle, which is 5. And then our adjacent is the side next to our angle, which is 12 there. So then for our ratio, what we want is we want the side opposite angle P. So the side opposite angle P was 5 over the side adjacent to angle P, which is the side worth 12. So the side opposite angle P is this 5, the side adjacent to angle P is 12. So that's what you have to do for question 5. I'm going to let you do B and C. For question 6, you want to find the value of the ratio of the side adjacent to angle P over the hypotenuse for each triangle in question 5. So again, when we look at question 6, we are looking at angle P, so that angle that I have highlighted. Now, because we have already labelled our triangle in question 5, we can just work out which side is adjacent to angle P. So for 6A, I'll just write it here. So the side adjacent to angle P was this side here that is worth 12. So that will equal 12 over our side that is our hypotenuse is the side length 13. So we write our ratio as 12 over 13 for 6A. Finally, for question 7, we want to find the value of each of the following ratios for the triangle shown. So what we want to do is it's going to look at angle A and angle B differently. So what I would do is I would draw the triangle or copy the triangle out so that I have two versions of my triangle. And so copy it out exactly how it is. That's not going to work. Exactly how it is. So this is angle BAC. That's worth 12 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 15 centimeters. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight angle A, all the questions that have angle A in it, and I'm going to highlight it on my first picture. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my hypotenuse. So my hypotenuse is 15. My adjacent is next to, which is 12, and my opposite is opposite my angle, which is 9. I'm then going to use this triangle to find A, anything that has angle A. Then what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to highlight angle B, and I'm going to label this triangle so that this is my hypotenuse, this is my angle opposite angle B, and this is my adjacent side to angle B. That way, when it asks for angle B in these questions, I will look at this second triangle. So what question 7 is doing exactly what was in questions 5 and 6, but doing it with different angles from the triangle.